Setting up your Google Home device starts with downloading the Google Home app on your mobile device and gathering your Wi Fi credentials. Open the app and sign in to your Google account. Enable Bluetooth when prompted, as this is required for device discovery. The app will automatically search for your Google Home device. Select your device when it appears and follow the on screen prompts. The device will play a confirmation sound when connected. Choose the location for your device, such as living room, then select your Wi Fi network and enter the password to complete the initial setup. To connect to a new Wi Fi network, open the Google Home app, select your device, go to Settings, then Device Information, then Wi Fi. Select Forget this network and repeat the setup process. Alternatively, you can tap the plus button in the app, select Set up device, choose New devices, select your home, and follow the prompts to connect to a new Wi Fi network. When your Google Home device won't connect to Wi Fi, start with these essential troubleshooting steps to resolve the most common connection issues. Also, check all cable connections and restart your Google Home device by unplugging it for 10 seconds, then plugging it back in. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, you may need to perform a factory reset. This will erase all settings and require you to set up the device again. For larger homes or persistent connection issues, consider upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi system like Google Nest Wi-Fi for better coverage and reliability. Google is actively working on long-term improvements to enhance the reliability and voice experience of Google Home devices, with major updates expected in the coming months.